cold wind blow through the heart of mankind, creating a storm in my mind. Endless greed and corruption, weapons of mass destruction. It's only a matter of time. When that button is pushed, all mankind will be crushed. There'll be no one left to remain. Haunting cries of young children, who on earth's gonna tell them it's nearing the end of the line. So put your trust in God's hands, only He understands. Divine intervention's the key. Who adored your salvation, let us pray for redemption. Bring shame on them cowards that be. Sad situation when our freedom's denied, and no one can turn back the tide. All across this great nation, give a voice of the people. You can run evil, but you can't hide. So heed this message and good, let it be understood. This tree will not bend in the wind. For her branches are strong, she'll forever hang on, and good will prevail in the end. So put your trust in God's hands, only He understands. Divine intervention's the key. Who adored His salvation, let us pray for redemption. Bring shame on them cowards that be. So put your trust in God's hands, only He understands. Divine intervention's the key. Who adored His salvation, let us pray for redemption. Bring shame on them cowards that be. Who adored His salvation, let us pray for redemption. Bring shame on them cowards that be. Evil demons, you never